we're back to another channel. We're gonna be unboxing something. Well, not a food. It's like for big people. Here it is, and here's my brother. He is gonna first show the
I'm
box.
gonna unbox the 5D Mark IV. So let me just open the box. Okay, that's pretty easy. Here I got a book for many instructions, and we get a CD,
and also we got
two CDs.
and one.
All right, we get a camera in there. It's wrapped, but first we're gonna talk about the cables.
Yeah.
First, before the camera.
Yeah, camera arm.
The camera stays there. Here I get a cable. Let me just untie
I can do
this.
it for you.
I can untie this.
I'll do the other one. Let me see.
Okay, here I got the cable.
And
I think this is for charging
camera.
or some type.
Oh, yeah.
Let me check the instructions.
Say it's covered by plastic, so we'll get onto that later.
I guess this is the charger. It might be.
Let's see what's
And more stuff. Here we got the hanger for your neck, and then you can just photo.
And here, I don't know what
Okay.
this is. It kind of looks like where they go the berries.
Here,
Let's go explain what this
that thingy.
is. This.
And I think this is a battery or something. I don't know how to open. Oh,
And here, maybe you put the battery.
okay. Okay, here I'm gonna open it later.
Maybe just go with the
Okay.
battery.
And we get some stuff.
Alright.
Okay, now
Let's go
we
to the
got the
oh, yeah.
camera.
Oh my god, it's heavy.
Oh, it's heavy.
I know.
It's big. It's wrapped.
Oh yeah, it's like,
Perfect. They put in a perfect shape and place. They put added. It's big. It's heavy too.
yeah, I'll try.
I bet I can get.
But if I could take that.
Good. And
Also, you can
yeah.
have something up here that you can put, maybe like a phone.
Probably
Maybe have a holder.
this goes up top. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not sure because I don't really know all of that camera. All about cameras. Also,
Also, the screen's a little bit big.
the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so the screen right now, it's shiny and clean and protected. It's okay from the box. Usually, sometime like when we order stuff, it's broke. But this, it's not. This is clean and perfect. Here we got, it says Canon, which is it's called Canon 5D Mark
And
IV.
And yeah, if you have trouble with the camera, you can go to the
just
page.
got this today. I think it cost over much. Okay. See you next time, and I hope you enjoy. If you don't enjoy, it's okay. But
Also, to make sure to subscribe. Okay? Subscribe right now.
and send us a comment if you subscribe, and give this a 10 thumbs up in this video. Thank you so much.
If this is 10 thumbs up, we're gonna give this camera away.
Probably.
Done.